What the fuck is wrong with you? Smells good.
We get your girlfriend to the stables, please.
I mean, when we stuck here a while, right?
Totally trapped.
3 down, right? 3 down. Can I ask you a question?
I don't know, can you? You want to tell me what's going on with you?
What's going on with me?
Hey.
Ellie, I just saw you breathe spores. How would you rate our kiss from last night?
Why are we still talking about this? You said it was a mistake.
Did I say that?
Maybe Tommy got to him.
Maybe.
Can you say something?
What are you doing? I think I'm pregnant.
What?
I asked you to rate our kiss. Don't worry, it's not yours.
What are we supposed to do now?
Nothing. I give it a 6.
A 6?
I mean, now I really want to know how you'd rate it. You make me want to go back outside in that weather.
Don't want to stop right now. I just want to say sorry for running off last night.
Oh, it's okay. I totally get it. I felt bad.
Why?
You know what I love about you? How you let me finish my sentences.
This better be better than a 6. I made her talk.
Watch it go. Watch it go. Stay the same.
I told you a real fucking story. I can't tell you a real fucking story.
Watch it go.
You're gonna fucking die! She's pregnant. Good. Help me.
How about that?
Gross.
You love it.
You can tell me to stop.
For God knows how long, just thinking you're fucking dead the entire time?
I don't plan on dying.
Yeah, well, neither did Jesse. Or Joel. Hey, come on. We've got a family. She doesn't get to be more important than that.
Oh, look at Mama go. Oh, wow. Ooh. Oh, wow.